Hey everyone, Cody here, and you're watching an Owen Outdoor video. So today, guys, we have so much snow. I can't believe it. This is probably the most snow since I was like really little. It's got to be like 2 to 3 feet outside. Yeah, let's just take a quick peek. Look at the porch, man. That's not even the most of it. My truck is like buried right now. Look at Big Bertha. Oh, there's the tractor. Now, I do have somebody that helps me plow, but there's way too much snow, and I might have to use the tractor to start moving stuff around for him to like put it in places. We're running out of spots quickly.
Oh God, what are you doing?
Have you seen all the snow?
How could you not?
Guys, when Kelly woke up this morning, her window was just filled with snow. Let me show you. She thought somebody was in the window. This is unreal. It's piled up so flippin' high. It's actually gotten like taller. There's more snow here than last time. I think in the morning it was like right here, and it's still been snowing for like 2 hours. And we have like the top panel is the only way we can see outside. I mean, I have to take out the snowmobile. Look at over here. So that's a porch. The porch is probably like down here. And no way. Yeah, I gotta go shovel. I don't know what to do. We can't get Dunkin' Donuts this morning because, well, my truck is buried. The cars are in the garage. I did a lot of preparing last night because we knew the storm was coming. This is where it's pretty crazy. No, my boots, they're outside. Captain doesn't know what to do. He's so confused. He's like, is there no more outdoors? Oh, and she's peeing like right there on the porch. You can doodle? Come on, come on.
Oh, doodle doodle!
She doesn't know where to run though. Really, shorts?
Please.
There's way too much snow. Oh my god! What the flip?
Kid's not even wearing snow pants.
I guess I gotta get shoveling. Just 1,000 more of these. At least it's like not heavy snow. This stuff isn't too bad. Captain is also peeing on the porch. Yeah, you're gonna ruin the finish on it. I'm gonna try to walk to the tractor. Oh my god. It is up to my knees right now. Come on, Captain. I'm making a path for you guys.
Come on, go! Go!
I'm gonna give Captain a little toss in the snow.
Oh, brother.
Splash down.
Good boy!
Come on. He's not gonna be happy with me. He just like plopped in.
Little baby.
Come on, Doodle. It's time to dive in. Boop. Oh.
Good girl!
A little kerplop.
Good girl.
All right, Kelly, go warm them up. No, we love our dogs. We're gonna warm them up real quick. Just a little splash. They're not gonna freeze. I'm probably gonna freeze out here though. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys down nicely into the snow. I'm just gonna shovel a little bit of pathway. I'll get to the tractor and then I gotta start moving the big stuff. It's getting there. You know what? I'm putting the ski mask on. I just found the pavement. So I still have to make a pathway to the tractor. But look at this thing. It has so much snow on the top of it. But you know what? Let's measure this thing. Holy crap. It's about 2 feet of snow. We had a little bit of snow here before, but it did melt and I don't think there was anything in that spot. So 2 feet in one storm. We woke up and it was just like a winter paradise. It's unreal. There we go. I have a pathway to the tractor. Oh man. Now I just gotta clean I don't need to clean the roof off. I just gotta get a front so I can actually see. So my issue here is I don't know where anything is. Everything's buried underneath the snow, so I don't have any landmarks to go off of. I don't know where the rock walls are. I don't know where shrubs are. I don't know where like steps are. It's gonna be tough. So I'll need to be extra careful when using the tractor so I don't damage anything. I do have to warm up the tractor as well. It's gonna be a little cold right now. She did not like to start, but she's going right now. Let it warm up for a little bit. I'm gonna still kind of shovel around and see how far I can get. I got the snow off the roof. There's so much snow. Man, I love the snow, but this might be a little too much. All right, let's try to use the tractor. I'm gonna lift up the bucket. All right, there we go. Hey, we already got a bucket full of snow. It's kind of tough to see, so let's get the wipers on. Here we go. Look at that, man. You can kind of see the mountains in the background with the snow on top. That's icing on the cake. So I can't go too far forward because it's a rock wall, but I can move a little bit. Let's shift her into low. Sometimes it's a little finicky, so I have to like use the gas a little bit and also shift. There we go, slip right in. 4-wheel drive. Tractor versus snow. Struggling a little bit, but it's got it. Man, look at that. That's crazy. Let's get those up. And that should be enough room for us to maneuver. I say should be because I can barely see the rock wall. So this will be safe. Let's throttle up a bit. Hey, we got it. We punched a hole right through it. That's a crazy amount of snow, baby. Granted, I probably should have like plowed my way out. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, guys, and I'll be right back. So it's later in the evening. I came back out to use the tractor, finish up what I was doing, and the tractor doesn't start. It's in neutral, and I didn't leave the key on the key in the ignition or anything like that. It was totally off, and yeah, I don't know what this clicking noise is at all. I mean, the battery icon is lit up, but so doesn't everything else. Let me try to figure out what's going on with the tractor. I'll do a little Googling, seeing if anybody else has had this problem. Doesn't seem like it's a major issue because it does seem like it's trying to start. So it can't be the starter or anything like that. maybe just doesn't have enough juice, or it could be just too cold. I don't know. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I've been charging the battery on the tractor. I'll see if that's the issue. If not, we think it's a starter solenoid. So we're gonna test a few things, see if we get this thing going. Now, I did manage to move a bunch of the snow with the snowblower. It took a while, but you know what? I got the job done. No. The issue we're facing right now is we don't know where the starter solenoid is, so we gotta look for it. All right, so we managed to find it. It's that thing back there. So what do we have to do to it?
We have to jump it with a screwdriver.
That sounds fun.
Twice. We just see those two terminals there. We just gotta touch them together with a screwdriver.
Okay. So I need to get the nuts off too?
Nope, just a screwdriver.
A handy screwdriver in the tractor. So he's gonna touch the screwdriver on the solenoid. Try and jump it. You ready?
Yeah.
Do I start it?
Yeah. Yeah, so that didn't work, guys. And it's not making a good sound now, so we're gonna keep looking and see what we can find out. We have a friend that has the same tractor as me, so we'll ask him a few questions, and he also is a mechanic. We're not much of mechanics ourselves. All right, guys, so what we went and did is we took the fuse box off, and right here is the starter. That's the starter's fuse. This one's the headlamp. So we're gonna take the headlights and we're gonna move them over here because those ones aren't needed to start it, and we'll just 100% check if this thing is bad. Now it's clicking again. What did you do different to make it click?
I just turned the headlights off. It's the battery. Hold on, my dad might think that battery connector is loose. See how tight that one is?
Possible.
So let's just get that tightened up and we'll see if that actually works.
Yeah.
All right, so that's seated in there pretty nicely. Let's give it a shot and try starting it. It's not even making a noise now. Oh my God. I had to reset the neutral.
And the battery.
And the battery.
That was it?
You got avocado toast?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys, so the tractor is going. I'm super happy. I don't know what I would have to do if I had to take it to the shop. I mean, there's so much snow right here. I don't think a tow truck could get back here. And like, my truck is buried. The tractor to die right here is the worst possible spot. It was just a loose connection on the battery terminal, so we're good to go. We couldn't see it last night because there's not too many lights. So thanks for my dad for helping me. I'm glad this thing is going right now. I'm gonna move it out of this spot. I'm probably gonna move some snow as well. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next Owen Outdoor video. Make sure you subscribe. It's gonna be awesome, and probably involving ice fishing and snowmobiling.